Improve your product categorisation and reporting with product brands. Let's get started on the demo. Navigate to Settings, System, Product Brands, enter a name, and click Add. You can display product brands in the View Products page by adjusting your toolbar settings. Use product brands and reports, like with Sales Enquiry, to filter, group, and analyse trends in greater detail, helping the likes of sales managers and other teams to make smarter decisions. Ever wondered, what's the most profitable brand in this particular range of products? Well, by cross-filtering your product brands with your product groups, you can capture a higher level of detail when analysing your inventory health. Using product brands, you can optimise stock levels, improve decision-making for pricing, marketing, and supplier negotiations across product lines. For more tutorials, visit Unleashed Academy or check out our support page for further guidance.